Uh, Now we're going to show you how to play the F chord. And some of you might have heard from your friend or whatnot that this may be considered one of the hardest chords to tackle. But do not be afraid. There's always a way to overcome this. And not to make it sound hard or too easy. It is a bit hard, but with some practice, you will definitely get it. So instead of talking so much, let's get straight into it. Bring up the chart itself, and you can see there's something a bit different from this chart, and you can see there's a we're still using 3 fingers, but observe what the first finger, how does it look like? And there's actually a line across the first finger. Okay, today we're going to show you and teach you this term called bar, B-A-R-R-E. Okay, barring just simply means using one hand, using one finger to place across more than one string, so 2 string or more. Okay, so you can see from the chart itself, your first finger is required to place or press 2 strings at once. So you have to bar. Okay, it's like a bar. Okay, so what you have to do from there is first finger, placed it, okay, just for exercise, placed it on top of where you need to be, first string and second string, first fret, like that. Okay, don't worry. Just place it soft, just gently place it first, then let's continue from there using your middle finger. Okay, you're required to place it on the 3rd string here, like that. Okay, that wasn't so bad, right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'll just wait for you, adjust itself. Alright, now this finger is required to place on the 4th string, 3rd fret. I'm just counting in my using my eyes just now, so you placed it here like so. Okay, alright, now for beginners, because I have done this so many times, so I'm just thinking back, for beginners like you have just starting off, you might find that this finger keeps, angling itself, or you have to adjust again, because by placing this finger you're stretching. Okay, maybe your fingers here are still not stretched to a point where you are flexible yet. So that's the exercise for you. Okay, take your time. Okay, don't exert too much energy first. Start off just placing your finger here first. You don't need to press it down yet. Just place it here first. Then continue from here. Second finger. Notice that I haven't applied my I haven't pressed it down fully yet. So give some time to it. You don't want to exert too much energy. You're just starting off to learn how to shape, how to place that shape. So take your time. You can you use your right hand to adjust your finger. Make sure it's alright. Now come the testing part. Once you place all your 3 fingers on the proper way, now you press it down. Okay, let's try to see whether you can produce the sound. Starting from this string, that's your root chord, so that's F. And then the 3rd string, 2nd string. Oops, not enough energy. Okay, let's press some more. And the last one. Okay, so that's the sound of F. Okay, some of you maybe struggle on this part here. Okay, remember always, especially when you practice any chords, but for F especially, just remember, do your normal checks, whether your thumb placement, okay, is at the middle, okay, or you're too far up here, therefore you don't have the energy to put down. So make sure your thumb is right, okay, somewhere around the middle here. Okay, if your finger is not long enough to reach, okay, you may have shorter fingers. Okay, just recalibrate your thumb. Instead of here, you just adjust it away from you a bit, so you give yourself more. Okay, your fingers can come across more. So you know your body parts a bit well, so I'll do that again. Make sure your thumb is in the center. Okay, then allows you to have the strength and the length of hand. And then make sure when you press, okay, your fingers doesn't touch other strings. Okay, besides this one has to touch 2 strings. The rest, okay, make sure it's like a tiger claw kind of, okay, kind of action. Once that is done, maybe you have to press, just press harder. Okay. Okay, a lot of energy will be taken off from your thumb, exerted from there. So give that a try. I know it's not easy for the first round, but slowly just, you know, observe why there's no sound, why is it not coming through. Go through again those tips that I have shared with you in, I think it's lesson 2 or 3, how to press chords. There are certain tips in there, you can revisit that again. So again, thumb, check your thumb whether it's in the center, check whether your fingers is touching other string, or thirdly, press harder. So that's F, okay? Okay. There you go.